Video number 118. Write an equation of a parabola where the vertex is not the origin. Okay. Here we go. Write the equation of a parabola. The focus is -2, -3. The vertex is -2, 1. What we're going to do here, of course, because a picture tells 1,000 words, let's put it on a graph. -2, -3. Right here. -2, -3. -2, 1. -2, 1 up here. Alright. Now, why do we put this information onto a graph? Because if the focus is here and the vertex is here, we know that this is a downward vertical parabola. So we're going downward. We're going this way. Okay? We also know that the C value, 1, 2, 3, 4. The C value is 4. Or excuse me, the P value is 4. The P value is 4, which means if you go up to a 5, that's where the directrix is. Okay. Well, now the P value is actually -4 because we've defined, and you can go back to the previous videos, I think it's 115 or 116, we talked about how the P value is going to be referred to as a directed distance. Or actually, it could be even video 114, but yeah, a directed distance. So, directed down 4. Or it could have been, obviously, left 4, but because the vertex and focus were directly above one another, we knew that this was a downward parabola. So, therefore, P is -4. So, this is the fun part of the problem. Now we're just going to go through here and write the equation. We now have that P is -4. Now here you go. We always have two choices. Standard form parabola is focus directrix form. We're going to pick one of these two. Well, it's going to be this one because you have the x squared, you have y that does not have an exponent, so therefore it's a vertical. It's a vertical parabola. Use -4 for P. Well, this would be the answer. Of course, we change this to -16 if the vertex was at the origin. But it's translated away. The vertex is -2, 1. So therefore, we're going to plug in. And did I mess this up? Oh, I put an X here. That's what I did. This should be a Y here. And I'm always good for at least one mistake here per video. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful thing. All right. And then, of course, if we're picking this, actually we need to put, this should be +2. So I have it the wrong way. It should be x plus 2 quantities squared. And then this should be a y minus 1 in here. So this should definitely be y minus 1. So x plus 2 quantity squared equals -16 times y minus 1. So this ends up being our final answer, and that's it. So cross this out, y minus 1. Alright, so hopefully that fixes everything here. We should be in good shape. This is how you write an equation for a parabola. And again, you just find the P value. Now, a lot of times, guys, we could have ended up picking this. You know, if it would have been an east-west parabola or a horizontal parabola, you would use this, and you would do what? Y minus 1 squared equals 4 times P times x plus 2, and you would have the +2 over here. So, nonetheless, that's how you get the job done. Good times. Talk to you later.